Demystifying the TOEFL, Test Format and Scoring Uncovered. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the TOEFL, focusing specifically on its test format and scoring system. If you've been considering the TOEFL for your English language proficiency certification, this is the perfect guide for you. We'll ensure you know what to expect on test day. Knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. It's one of the most recognized English proficiency exams worldwide. Universities, businesses, and government agencies in numerous countries accept the TOEFL to determine an individual's English abilities, especially in academic and professional settings. The TOEFL exam consists of 4 main sections. 1. Reading. This section assesses your ability to comprehend academic texts. You'll encounter passages and then answer questions about them. 2. Listening. Here, you'll listen to conversations and lectures, then answer questions to demonstrate your understanding. 3. Speaking. This tests your spoken English abilities. You'll be given tasks that require you to respond orally, such as speaking about familiar topics or discussing materials you've read or heard. 4. Writing. You'll be asked to write responses to tasks, such as composing essays based on reading and listening tasks. Each of the 4 sections of the TOEFL is scored from 0 to 30. Therefore, the maximum total score you can achieve is 120. Reading and listening. These sections are scored based on the number of correct answers. There's no penalty for incorrect answers. Speaking and writing. Responses for these sections are rated by trained raters. They'll consider factors like your clarity, organization, and appropriate use of grammar and vocabulary. Lastly, many institutions have their own TOEFL score requirements. It's essential to research the required score for the specific school or organization you're interested in. We've just given you a concise overview of the TOEFL's format and scoring. Preparation is key, and understanding the structure of the exam will undoubtedly give you an edge. We hope this guide has shed some light on the TOEFL for you. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language. Keep learning, stay motivated, and best of luck on your TOEFL journey.